All right, guys, welcome back to Financial Friday. Today, I'm gonna explain to you guys the difference between being a 1099 contractor versus a W-2 worker, because there are some huge benefits to getting paid the way that you do. So to understand the difference, it's really pretty basic. The main differences between 1099 and W-2 is when you're getting taxed, as well as how much you're getting taxed. So with a W-2, most people have worked a 9-to-5 job. You get your pay stubs, you look at those pay stubs, and let's say you are making $20 an hour. You work for 10 hours, that means you earned $200, but your paycheck was not $200. It was like probably 70% of that. You look at your pay stub and what it says on there is the amount that hit your bank account, and then it also says your state tax and your federal tax and probably a few other things on there that they pulled out. That is the government coming into your paycheck, grabbing as much as they possibly can up front throughout the year, every single paycheck. And then when you file your taxes at the end of the year, they've labeled it a tax return. So it becomes this like more of a positive thing. But really what the government is doing is they're just giving you back the money that they took from you that wasn't even theirs. Like they took too much money from you up front and then they're giving it back to you, but only after you jump through their hoops. Versus 1099, if you're getting paid your commission, whatever your commission is, you're getting paid 100% of that into your bank account, and the government doesn't touch that thing. Not until you file your taxes at the end of the year, and then after all of your write-offs, then they get to say, well, you made this much, but really you had these expenses, so now we're only gonna take this much. And so you have a lot more velocity with your money because you get all of your money up front that you earned. So you can start investing it, buying other things, making that money work for you, and then at the end of the year, pay your taxes. So that's the main difference is W-2 gets their money pulled from them faster with every paycheck. 1099, you wait to the end of the year. So it is important to remember to set aside money for taxes because they are inevitable. You're not gonna like not pay any taxes. You're just gonna pay a lot less and you're gonna not pay as fast. And the part that makes you pay less taxes as a 1099 is just all of the tax write-offs, which we've talked a lot about in our other Financial Fridays. Once you set up an LLC, you have the ability to write off a lot more items compared to a W-2 employee.